Indian economic updates. India will soon introduce a unique identification marking system as part of a track and trace mechanism for high-risk evasion-prone commodities like tobacco products. Non-compliance will incur a penalty of 1 lakh rupees or 10% of the tax payable. The GST Council has approved an amendment to the Central Goods and Services Tax Act to establish a legal framework for tracking these commodities through the supply chain. The unique identification marking, which could include a digital stamp or unique mark, will be defined in law, with detailed procedures set after finalizing the technology. This initiative follows recommendations to curb tax evasion in sectors like tobacco, sand mining, and brick kilns. Passenger vehicle sales are projected to grow by 5% in 2025, driven by strong consumer demand, increased government spending, good monsoons, and robust rural sentiment. SUV demand remains solid, while entry-level small car sales are expected to recover, supported by a surge in two-wheeler sales. After sluggish growth earlier in the fiscal year, car sales rebounded by 1% in October and 4% in November, crossing 4 million units in both 2023 and 2024. Automakers anticipate increased government investments and economic activity to boost sales, with rural consumption playing a key role. Two-wheeler sales grew by 16.2% in 2024, signaling market recovery. December car dispatches rose 10 to 12%, replenishing festive season stocks. Net formal job creation under the Employees Provident Fund organization dropped to a 5-month low of 1.34 million in October, reflecting an 11.8% year-on-year decline and a 28.7% drop from September. While October marked the start of the festival season, new membership additions were 0.75 million, a 2.59% decrease from last year. The majority of new members, 40.5%, were in the 18 to 25 age group. Additionally, 0.27 million female members joined, signaling a shift towards a more inclusive workforce. Maharashtra, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu accounted for 61.3% of the new membership. Industry sectors like road transport, media, and banking saw growth in member numbers. Indian Railways is accelerating the deployment of the Kavach 4.0 automatic train protection system, aiming to install it on 10,000 locomotives and over 14,375 route kilometers nationwide to enhance safety and operational efficiency. The bidding process is underway, with tenders for 1,105 RKM already opened and more expected by November 2024. In the Northeast Frontier Railway Zone, 1,966 RKM from Malda town to Dibrugarh are set for installation. Sanctioned plans include covering over 30,000 RKM in 2024 to 25, 17,000 RKM in 2025 to 26, and up to 30,000 RKM from 2026 to 28. Approved in July 2024, Kavach 4.0 has undergone successful trials on stretches in West and Western Railways.